Happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to all my Nanvas and Nanbis. Today I want to introduce you all to a concept called OUBAIITORI. OUBAIITORI is a Japanese word and it means to not compare yourself to others and instead to value your own unique traits. Believe it or not, each of you watching this video has a unique trait, guys, but unfortunately you guys are constantly being compared to either your friends or siblings or neighbors or even parents. Many of us have heard அந்த காலத்தில் நான் எப்படி இருந்தேன் ஆனால் how are you like this. From the second we are born till this second, constantly we are getting compared to our skin color, height, weight, the way you talk, the way you walk. Everything is getting compared, guys. But to be honest, every single person is unique. Just look at this picture. You can see growth. Growth happens in different ways to these plants. The second plant, which looks really beautiful from the outside, the very tall plant here, look at the base of the plant, the root, not as much. Here to the outside world doesn't look like it's grown so much, but see the roots, the base is really strong, and that is why I say every growth is different. In CA also, students might have cleared in their first attempt, that is their growth, but your growth is different. Whether you are learning, that is the most important thing. You might look like this to the outside world, but here deep down you will be having a huge base which you have to start seeing for yourself, guys. Why you have to practice OUBAIITORI? Everybody has a unique path. Not everybody's starting point is the same, and that is why the growth for them also is different. The more and more you keep comparing with your friends, keep comparing with your siblings, it only kills your confidence. And if it kills your confidence, trust me, it is going to increase your stress. Practicing OUBAIITORI is also going to reduce your stress and reduce your burnout, and you're going to channel your inner energy in the right direction, which will only lead to the long-term success, guys. The next time if anybody compares you with anybody, please tell them, please stop OUBAIITORI.